Hey guys, this is Andrew with Public Auto Auctions. Today I'm going to go over how to view the inventory on the website so you can see things like the condition report, Carfax notes, and things of that nature. All right, so let's begin. So here you'll see we're on the main page of the website once you log in. If you click on inventory, this will bring up all of the vehicles that we currently have in stock. You can select here what auction you want to view them for. It'll just show you the vehicles that are eligible for that auction. And it'll also, you can select just to see ones that are in auction versus ones that are upcoming vehicles. Now, on each vehicle, whenever you go in, I have a few examples pulled up here. So each vehicle will have between 12 to 15 pictures of it, and you can scroll through the pictures here underneath. It'll show you the exterior, the interior, anything like check engine lights on the dash may be pictured up here. And you can see all of the images on the top left. In addition to that, we have 360 exteriors of certain vehicles, and it'll allow you to go around the outside of the vehicle and just see any exterior cosmetic damages, anything that you can get in that 360 view. We also, if the vehicle is running, will have a video of the engine running. It'll go through and let you hear the sound of the vehicle, see if there's any smoke coming off the engine, anything like that. Now, underneath here, we'll have all of your standard information about the vehicle. VIN number, stock number, year, make, model, all of that is listed underneath. To the right of that, we do have a condition report that is done by our technicians here on the lot. It's a general overview, whether the vehicle starts and moves, our grading system, and then anything that we see of note, dents, scratches, things on the body. Underneath both of these things where it has further information, it will say here Carfax notes. So this will give you a notification of anything that is listed in the Carfax. For example, you'll see that this one has a salvage or rebuilt title, it is recovered theft, and a total loss. So those are some things that you want to check out down here in the Carfax notes. Other things that it might annotate, such as on this vehicle, is if the airbags are deployed, and on other vehicles, if it's a bonded title. On the top right on this side is everything to do with bidding on vehicles. So it'll tell you what event this vehicle is in. So this one is in the auction for November the 1st, 2025. And it'll tell you if there's any bids currently on the vehicle, what the starting bid amount is, and the bid increment. Now, certain vehicles, such as this one, will have the possibility of an instant buy. If you click the instant buy option, it will take you here, walk you through what the fees are. The only fee that is not included here that has to be paid here in the office at the time of pickup is tax. But other than that, everything else is calculated right here. You would click I agree and then submit to purchase that vehicle online. I hope this helps y'all figure out how to view the inventory of these vehicles and how to handle certain things like instant buys and other things like that. If y'all have any questions or concerns about anything but the website, feel free to give us a call here at the auction and we'd be happy to help. Thank you so much.